So the next tune is, it's just a great tune, so we decided to share it. We played it a while ago and forgot about it. And I actually heard this, not to drop names like Scotland, but I actually heard it in Scotland at a session. And I was like, I've got to play that. Well, it turned out it's a contemporary Swedish tune. It's written by Ola Backstrom. I'm probably saying it wrong, because it has all sorts of circles and things over the O. I know how one is pronounced, but not two. And the band is Swap, also an O with two circles, so it's Swope or something. At any rate, so he was in California touring, and whoever was hosting him asked him if he wanted to go back to the beach. And he said, I am not fed up with the Pacific Ocean. And that's the name of the tune. I'm not fed up with the Pacific Ocean. So sit back and enjoy the waves. the Cox and Larry's. Okay?